Hello, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to talk about how to organize a toolbox. The first thing I want to do is you want to have your power tools handy. You never know what you might be doing. From like, drilling holes to using impact ratchets for like cars and stuff. And then I got my wood stuff, my straight line. I got my book with everything in it. Got my bits and drill bits and everything in here for these drills. For my 12 volt, got my 12 volts. I got my 20 volt, 12 volt. Got my 20 volt, 12 volt again. Got my 12 volt in this. Got my impact. Flashlight. Put that there. So in this drawer, I got all my electrical stuff. Got this thing, my iFixit, precision kit. Got my Milwaukee hacksaw blades. Got my Icon ball end ones. Got my Klein multimeter, MM320. Got my voltage tester, GFI tester, and a battery screwdriver. There we go. And then I got my stubby wrenches. Got my Icon stubby wrenches. Craftsman flare nuts. Metric, both are metric. Then you open this drawer. Got my Icon snapping pliers. I'm gonna try them out yet. Might do a video on those later. Got my spark plug thing. Got my black light, picks, boot driver, hose clamp pliers, oil fill pliers. Now these, I don't recommend. I do, but I use them. But these over here is what I recommend right here. I use them on oil fill for a mower and they come out perfect. Got some cutters. Got some multi-tool pliers. Klein. I'm a big Klein channel lock and now Icon person. Now in one drawer, you want to keep all your sockets and stuff. So you got my torque wrench. This is an old torque wrench my dad gave me. You got my breaker bar, Icon, quarter, deep well, Icon, impact, adapters, Campbell, Hasselfield, impact, quarter. Got my snap-on, quarter. It's a half, quarter, nut breaker, brake holders, hard nuts, my DeWalt, half set of sockets. Got my Craftsman 3/8 sock set. Looks good. Now in the bottom drawer, I got my hex, got my T-wrenches, T-Allens, got my rubber mallet, Pittsburgh, and these two, just got, Empire, got my square. Now on the bottom, I prefer to have all my sets. So you got my, I got my hard hat. I got my brake service kit. So you got for disc brakes and for your regular, disc brakes, drum brakes, everything you possibly need to do a brake job, no matter what kind of brakes you have. Now there might be better was out there. That's just a kit I bought. My hard hat, got my channel lock, mechanic set, got my Dremel. Now in this car over here, it's kind of like, got my cleaning stuff, got all my towels, applicator pads, got some more applicator pads down here, got all my cleaning supplies, new car scent. Now this stuff right here works wonders, right here. This works wonders. I love this stuff. Now I haven't really tried this out yet. I tried it once. Probably try it out again, see how it works. But I got my, my other Dremel just for car stuff. Then over here, got these done. So you got this thing. This thing works great. On the side, I got my gloves, Honda brake cleaner, bit holder, and I got my steel pressure washer. Haven't used it yet. Probably will use it eventually. Then I got my jack stands. Over here, I got my icon paper. I love that thing. I don't use it really, but yeah.